trend indicators for Ninja Trader on 4/7/2015 and the ES4 Renko. Went long after this up arrow, came in right here, so went long in this bar. Here, the indicators were all green and moving up at this point. I got out of this trade right here for 4-point profit as it hit resistance up here, and the same area is held for yesterday as well. So seems to have a hard time getting above this level, so that's why I got out of the trade right here for the 4 points.